Fully active, my father, yeah, that. Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's all right. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. Listen, we've hit 70,000 subscribers. Good vibes, people, man. Let's hit that 100K mark quick and fast. You understand if you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. But anyway, do you know what we're actually going to do today? We're actually going to cook some food on Cook and Vibe. Long time we don't cook no food. Yes. I've got a breadfruit indoors. Yeah, I'm going to roast up the breadfruit. I'm going to try and find a piece of yam. Because you don't know we're in Kent. But I'm going to try and find a piece of yam. And we're going to cook some brown stew chicken. A good vibe. But a day in the life. Do you know what I'm saying? A little day in the life of M.R. Yeah, so just woke up and ting. We're going to go to the supermarket. Well, I'm going to go to the farm store first to see if I can get some yam. And then we're going to go to the supermarket to get the chicken and ting. Let's go! That is it. It's only like a 10-minute drive from my yard, maybe like 12-minute drive from my yard. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can find a piece of yam. Might be a waste of time, but you know what I mean? Same way. It's a nice little drive anyway, isn't it? I hope everyone's all right. Sorry I ain't cooked no food for so long, but yes, today we are cooking some food. Day in the life of M.R. Let's go. This is it, people. Yeah, fruits and veg. Grab 2 lime and passion fruit. See if we can find the yam. See there? Good vibes. Yeah. Good vibes. Got my piece of yam. Only £2.30 as well. I'm gonna show you how big it is. Really good price in there. Little passion fruit, a couple limes, some scallion, you see me? But yeah, let's go and get the chicken and thing. That is it. So, like I was saying, like it's really good for pricing. Like it's like a farm shop, so all the fruit and the vegetable is like pretty much half price. Yeah, so a good vibes, people. But now I think the closest supermarket now is Morrison's, so I think we're gonna go to Morrison's. We don't need much, we just need chicken really. I think I have everything else to cook, you see me? But yeah, man, thought I'd give you a little different episode today. Most of the time it's just shows and them thing. The Bambakla, Woolya Leon, them big lorries, they love take up all the fucking road. Yeah, but I think we got most things anyway, so yeah, let's go Morrison's. That is it. Bosh! Morrison's. You know what I mean? That is it, people. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. We're fully active and we've got brand new music coming out as well. Next week, I think. Balance is out already. If you ain't checked that out already, make sure you do. That is it. Day in the life of M. Not that anyone cares that much. Or maybe they do. I don't know. I'm a bit hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Do you know what it is? I don't really like eating early in the morning, people. It takes me a little while to get ready to eat food. So I might just get a little salad. Yeah, before we start cooking. Yeah, we're ready. Chicken, some garlic, 1 carrot, 2 corn, and my salad for breakfast or lunch. So I was gonna sit here and eat my food, but I forgot to get a spoon. So it looks like we're going straight back to the yard. So we've got all our ingredients now. So I'm gonna start chop up the chicken, people. We've got our seasonings here. You know what I'm saying? Browning, you don't know, so a brown stew chicken, you know what I mean? Scallion and yeah, and the Scotch bonnet and all them thing there. Yeah, we've got our breadfruit that we're gonna be roasting. We've got some corn that we're gonna be roasting and our yam that we're gonna be roasting. You can see the size of that now. £2.30, very good price. Yeah, so we'll start cut up the chicken and start seasoning up the chicken and everything. All right, people, the reason why we chop it up like that is because it get more the flavor into the chicken and it goes a little bit further. Simple seasoning today. All right, we're gonna use some chicken seasoning and we're gonna use some all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of browning, because you don't know, say, a brown stew chicken. So we're not gonna go mad with the seasoning. You don't have to go mad, but yeah, man, chicken seasoning ready to go. Yeah, if you want to know what seasonings I used this seasoning, Village Pride and Easy Spice. I like this Easy Spice, very traditional Jamaican one. You can get it in all areas in, like, you know, London and Birmingham, Manchester. So if you live out of the cities, them areas, you might be able to get it, but if you can't, you take a trip to London, you can pick these up. Browning, supposed to get that most places as well. Yeah, that's quite easy to get hold of. So yeah, that's the seasoning today, people. And the rest of the things is just, you know, your Scotch bonnet and thing. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna chop up this yam. I'm just gonna chop it into like pieces. So it's easier to cook. And I'm gonna chuck it in the oven just until we get the barbecues ready, because I don't want it to cook too quickly. It's like potato, so it needs to be cooked slowly. If we're gonna roast it, it's gotta be slow roasted, you know what I'm saying? Different from the breadfruit. The breadfruit can take a lot more heat. So we just fire that up straight away. Good vibes. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the oven just low, you know, just a low little roast in the oven until we fire up the fire outside. You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we're gonna fry it off for 10 minutes first, people. Then we're gonna add some onion, scallion, garlic, and Scotch bonnet. Yeah, brown stew chicken. People, so after you've fried it off for 10 minutes, you're gonna turn the heat down. We're gonna add our onion, our scallion, and our garlic. It's going all over the place, but most of it's going in there. It's cool. Yeah, like I say, then we're gonna turn the heat down, let it create its own juice, and yeah, then we're gonna put the Scotch bonnet in. Yeah, this is what we're doing today, people. You know what it is? Because I ain't been doing no cooking this year, and I ain't got no wood, or I ain't even got a barbecue in the garden, people. My coal pots at my brethren's house, it's just mad. You see me? See the breadfruit there and the corn. So we're just waiting for these to fire up. They don't really take too long. And then we can put the yam on one of them and the breadfruit on the other one. There was only £1 each because it was in the south anyway, so good vibes. Yeah, just dashed the Scotchy in. As you can see, people, now I've put it on a low heat. It's just building its own juices. You get me? And it'll go on nicely. That is it. Yeah. Good vibes. Smelling good. You can start smelling the breadfruit cooking already. That is it. Yeah. Yeah, I've put the breadfruit straight in. It's cold now, people. So I'm just gonna get all the heat around that. Good vibes. The yam can stay on the grill bit. Yeah, people. It's getting there still. Let's see what I go on. Yeah, so you basically just roast it until you can put a knife through the yam and it feels soft and whatever cooked. And the breadfruit is when you put a knife through it and it comes out clean and not sticky and gooey and stuff. Yeah, man, they're nearly cooked. The chicken's nearly cooked. Let's have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, it's been a relaxing day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a long time since I ain't had a little bit of time to just spend the day cooking and stuff. Shows start again this weekend. So I've got a show on Friday and I've got a show on Sunday as well. So Gonna make the most of it and try and get another episode out for Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but yeah. But I'm gonna try to get this one out for Thursday. So it's supposed to be Thursday today. Yeah, good vibes. What have I got to do for the rest of the day? I've got to do my post. I always post about 6 o'clock. Yeah, about 6 o'clock I do my posts on TikTok and Instagram. Not sure what I'm going to post yet. I think I might do a new video to the new freestyle, anything. That's what we're promoting at the moment. So I think I might do a new video actually. Just do a mad one, just going mad, I think. Yeah, post that up. Few business calls later on. Just wrapping up the business side to this new song. What else have I got to do? I'm probably gonna have to edit this tonight if I'm gonna get it out for Thursday because it's Wednesday. So yeah, another kind of chilled one today. Ain't got to go anywhere anyway. Yeah, giving it a last blast. Is me. Yeah, man. But everything's supposed to be done now anyway. So, good vibes. Look at that, people. Good vibes. I need gravy with my chicken, so I'm gonna wanna dry up brown stew chicken. You see me? Good vibes, people. So the chicken's done. Just waiting for the last little heat up on the breadfruit and the yam, and we're good to go. I'm not even gonna bother roasting the corn. I can't be bothered today, people. Yes, people, so let's have a go. Let's see if the breadfruit's done. Like I say, if it comes out clean, it's done. If it comes out and it's like gooey stuff on it, it means it's not done. And I'm presuming that these potatoes are done now. Yep, that feels nice and soft. Good vibes, people. Again, the potato will come out gooey if it's not done. Everything's clean and clear, so we're good to go, people. Yeah, man, breadfruit is roasted, yam is roasted, the chicken is done. Good vibes. Good vibes, people. Now we just gotta peel the breadfruit and peel the yam. There we go, people. The breadfruit is cooked. Some little cooked bits on there because it's really, really difficult to peel it. I'm not the best at peeling breadfruit, but yeah, we're gonna cut it up now anyway. It's gonna look a lot better than that when it's on the plate. But it smells beautiful. Roast breadfruit, that is it. There we have it, people. Brown stew chicken, roast breadfruit, and roast yam. Woy. That is it, people. Taste test. Brown stew chicken. Good vibes. Taste the roast yam. Mad, it's got that roast flavour. And the roast breadfruit. It's mad. It's mad, people. Now I'm going to taste it all with the juice and the brown stew chicken. That hits differently. I swear to God. The roast yam and with like the it's mad. People are good vibes. That is it. Fully active, my father. Hear that? People, leave a comment or a like in the comment section for your chance to get a big up. Fully active, my father. Hear that? Welcome to the big up section, people. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Actually got to do some cooking. Yeah, if you ain't done the right thing already, press that subscribe button and press the like button. Get the thing moving in the algorithm, you understand? That is it, people. Yeah, man, big up section. This week's big up Nizwell. He says, cool as fella, great vid, place looks buzzing. Yeah, that was regarding the Tokyo vlog. People, if you haven't seen the Tokyo, Japan vlog, previous episode, go and check it out. It's a mad thing. And also, Big up Computer Shy 4154 says, bro, no way, this is awesome. I love you. You're truly a man full of culture, left, right, and center. Fully active. That is it, my bro. Again, regarding the Tokyo, Japan vlog. Yeah, man, there's 2 episodes. There's one in a cat cafe as well. Interested if you like that sort of thing. But yeah, man, good vibes, people. Big up everyone in the comment section. To get your big up, just leave a comment and I'll just randomly pick. You know what I'm saying? Good vibes. I'll see you soon, people. Next time, some more cooking.